happy Sunday. So I need to stock up on some essentials. So guys, I want to talk to you about something. So I woke up feeling very weird
We're
today.
gonna go to Central Park as friends. Lie under blue
Shop around
skies,
my go-to
sunshine, a
everyday
bottle of
products.
wine. Talk about our
I
daydreams.
actually
Hey,
bought
it
these
seems we're
last
kind
year.
of alike. Wave our hands at every single airplane in the sky. Under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're crossing the line.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here and you're seeing me for the very first time, hi, my name is Tarasha. I live in Gurgaon and I make lots of productivity and lifestyle content. So if that's your jam, definitely consider subscribing. And if you are not new, thank you for coming back. You know, I appreciate you so much. Well, today is the Sunday. Happy Sunday. And it's a little over 4 p.m. I just had my lunch a while ago. And guys, I made that focaccia sandwich, the pesto sandwich. And oh my god, it was so good. I marinated the tomato slices in balsamic vinegar with some salt and pepper, and that changed the game. It was so good and the bread was soft too. So yeah, I had a pretty amazing lunch. And now, as you can tell, I got a little bit ready because I need to run some errands. So I need to stock up on some essentials from Miniso. And I also got this fabric for an Indian suit, I think last year, and I haven't given it for stitching. So I need to do that as well. Alright, I'm gonna head out now to run these Sunday errands. Nothing exciting, just the real stuff. And I'm gonna see you guys in a while. Alright guys, so I'm back home and I wanted to show you what I got today. So we went to MG Road, MGF Mall. First of all, we had coffee at Mowgli's and then we went to Home Center and I got a lemon press or a lemon squeezer from there. And we also needed an entrance mat. So I got this beautiful yellow mat. I hope you could see that, and I will try to link all these products in the description box. And yeah, we really liked this mat. And then we went to Miniso because I needed some essentials. So I got a pack of these facial tissues. I use them once I wash my face. And then I got these toner pads or cotton pads. I use them for my toners, and a pack of oil absorbing sheets. I absolutely love it, and with the summers coming in, I will need this in every handbag if possible. I also got this drawer thingy. Like I have this in lavender or a purple color on my desk already. And when I got it, I was sure that I wanted to stack it up in case I needed more storage. So I got another one in yellow color and I think I'm gonna set it up tomorrow. So yeah, that was pretty much my haul, and these were things that I absolutely needed. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys, happy Tuesday. I woke up a little between 6:15 6:30 a.m. and first things first, I made myself some detox water. It is the Three Seeds water. I think I mentioned it in my last vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna have it, and today is gonna be a very productive at home day. I will take you guys through my morning, and I don't know why I woke up super hungry today. So I think I'm just gonna throw some fruits in the NutriBullet and whip up a smoothie because I'm very hungry and I really want to put something into my body. So yeah, after finishing this water, I think I'll give a break of 30 minutes and then I'll make myself a smoothie. So guys, I want to talk to you about something. So I woke up feeling really weird today. You know, those days when your energy is just off. Yeah, today is one of those days, and I do not know why, but I just feel a little low, a little out of it. So I'm just getting ready, doing my makeup, because these little things really help lift my mood when I'm not feeling that good about myself. It's like a little reset. I honestly do not have any plans for today, but I figured if I look a bit put together, I might feel that way too. So yeah, that is what I'm trying to do. I'm just hoping that me taking out time for myself, putting on some makeup, makes me feel better at the end of the day. Like I put effort into taking care of myself. So that's the whole idea behind it. And once I'm done with all of my makeup, I'll show you certain products that I used today because I really want to talk about them, and maybe you'll find a new favorite too. Like I'm always super curious to find out, and you know, whenever I'm watching other people's, other creators vlogs, I'm like, what are they using? So yeah, in case you are curious what I use on a daily basis, keep watching. Alright, guys, I'm all ready, and now let's talk about my go to everyday products. I have spoken about a few of them in one of my vlogs, but I still feel like I need to mention some stuff. So, the first is this Glow Recipe Dew Drops, and this brings such a glow to your face. I use it before applying my foundations. Speaking of foundations, I have tried so many high end and drugstore foundations, and the best foundations that suit my skin type, which is dry combination. I do not know what, like it changes a lot, but this L'Oreal Infallible is too good. I think this is my fourth or fifth bottle, and I have been using this for years now. And I also mix it with the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the matte and polish. When I am getting ready formally, I only go ahead with this one. But for every day, I make a concoction of these two in very small amount. And I just want a little bit of coverage on a daily basis. I do not want a heavy coverage, but if I want a full or heavy coverage when I'm going out or on any occasions, events, I'll use this alone. And I have a lot of favorite concealers, but today I use the Milani Conceal and Perfect. But I also like the Tarte Shape Tape, not when I have super dry skin, because I feel like it settles around your dry patches, but it is very good for covering acne scars or active acne as well. And I also love my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm in the shade Custard. I use this when I want very light and breathable coverage. For my blush and contour, I use this Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand, and for my blush, I use this lavender purple color from Tower 28. And I think you have seen me use this thousands and thousands of times, but this is my everyday palette. Apart from this, I also have the ColourPop Deja Brew palette, but I definitely use this more, and I cannot do without my Precisely My Brow pencil from Benefit. I'm in the shade 4.5. And then the thing that I wanted to talk about is the eyeliner. So if you saw one of my old vlogs, I got this Huda Beauty Quick and Easy eyeliner. I was testing it out. I have used Stila and KVD ink liner before this, and they both were phenomenal. I even liked this one in the starting, but nowadays it has started smudging under my eyes. I tried wearing it without any liner, in my waterline, because I thought that maybe the gel liners that I'm applying in my waterline are smudging. But when I applied this alone, I think on Sunday, it did smudge under my eyes, and I do not know if it is the eyeliner or my eyes are watery. So today I applied this micro tip eyeliner from Kiko, and let's see how the stay is of this one. I am really hoping that I do not get panda eyes anymore. And this is the Color Bar Just Smoky Kajal in brown. I think, yeah, just brown. And this I use under my waterline. These are pretty much my regular products that I use every day. So it is a little over 5:15 p.m. and I just got back home. I was running a couple of errands. I actually wanted to finish my work first and then go out, but I got a call and I had to leave the house. But now I'm back, and I came back with some flowers because these have wilted like anything. And yeah, let's switch them up and then sit down to work. I almost forgot taking my supplements today, so let's do that first and then sit down to work. By the way, I have a short form content that I need to post today. I have prepared half of it, so that's fine. It's not gonna take me more than I think 30 to 45 minutes. But let's get these supplements out of the way. Alright guys, I have created the short form content and now I just need to airdrop it to my phone. Now I just have to go on my YouTube app and find a suitable trending audio, which is such a struggle. If you know, you know. So we are in the kitchen again, and as soon as it hits 6:30 p.m., my mind starts to think about dinner, like what I need to cook. So I have this truffle cheese dip from Wingreens and a truffle flavored extra virgin olive oil, which my uncle got for me from Italy, and I'm really grateful for it. Plus, we have a full container of macaroni, so I was thinking of making truffle mac and cheese. I have been wanting to make it. Today's the day, so I'll be making that along with air fried broccoli for dinner. This is what I've decided on, and yeah, I will show you the finished product once I make it. Sorry for the air fryer noise in the background, but guys, this looks so amazing. I also tasted a little bit and it's too good. I just whipped up, a random mac and cheese recipe on my own. I did not follow anything. It's just a little bit of butter, that truffle oil. I just put a spoon of all-purpose flour in it and then added some lactose-free milk and threw my macaroni in it, seasoned with some salt, pepper, oregano, chili flakes. Once it was all cooked, I just added a little bit of cheddar cheese and a piece of bocconcini. That's it. I did not have mozzarella or any other emmental cheese as such, so I think still it tastes so good, and I would any day prefer this over a fancy truffle mac and cheese at a cafe. Let's plate it up now. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. I don't think so I've picked up the camera today at all, and I'm really sorry for that. So tomorrow is my birthday. I don't think so I've mentioned this earlier in this vlog, but before I dive into any of the birthday stuff, I wanted to show you these press-on nails that I got from a store that sells K-beauty products, and also this nail stuff from this brand called Dashing Diva. I actually bought these last year, but I never got around to using them. Can you believe that? Anyway, I'll be doing that today because I have nothing on my nails, like nothing at all. And I thought, why not show you guys this process? So I think I'll take it to my table and we'll do it on the table because I feel like it is easy to put them on a big flat surface. Also, coming back to my birthday plans, I really don't have anything planned this year. No party, no get together, nothing. I just wanna relax and chill. I'm not even sure what I'll be doing tomorrow, but I still wanted to feel good and pamper myself. So that is what we'll be doing. So yeah, let's try these on. Guys, this is such a fail. Just look at it. 5 of my nails have already fallen off. I think I'm gonna put myself out of misery and just paint my nails before going to bed today. Like, this was such a fail. So disappointed. Hi guys, happy Thursday. It's my birthday today. That feels really weird to say on camera. So yeah, I just woke up a few hours ago and I've been having a really slow morning. I had my breakfast and now I need to get ready. Well, I did not want to do anything on my birthday, but AB insisted to take me to a brunch at a cafe that I've been eyeing for so long. So I'll be getting ready and I'm not entirely sure like how much I would vlog because I really want to take an off. But at the same time, this comes so natural to me. I do want to take you guys along the day. So I think I'll find a sweet spot and balance it all. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in some time.
You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your